Hello friends, today we are going to discuss next topic in number systems, units place. Units place, we will also call it as last digit or cyclicity or power cycle. In this units place, they will generally ask questions like find the last digit or units place in the expansion of. This is the question. Before solving this question, we will go for analysis. Okay, this each term is looking like how x, y power something, right? Some n. So n is power here. Xy is the base. Y is called base unit. Base unit. Okay. What and all base units will be possible? I am talking about units place or base unit. What and all base units will be possible? Base units. It might be 0, it might be 1, it might be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this and all base units are possible. Now what I am doing is, based on their base unit behaviors, I will divide it as, okay, for 0, okay, 0 power 1 or 0 power 2, 0 power 3, anything to the power 0, you're going to get 0 only. So if base unit is 0, if anything is the power, 0 only. For 1 also, 1 only. Okay, for 5 also, it will be 5. Okay, now I am analyzing 6. What about 6? 6 power 1 is 6. 6 power 2 is 36. 6 power 3 is how much? 216. So on. Whatever the power for 6, units place going to be 6 only. So for 6 also units place going to be 6 only. Okay. Now if 0 is the base unit, irrespective of our last digit will be 0. For 1, 1. For 5, 5. For 6, 6. Okay. What and all remaining? 2, 3 is remaining. 2, 3, 7, 8 and 4, 9. Why I am dividing like this? I am dividing into two groups. 2, 3, 7, 8, 4, 9. Okay. Just observe here. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 5, 32. 2 power 6, 64. 2 power 7, 128. 2 power 8, 256. Here you have to observe only units place. What is the units place? 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. What is happening here? After 4 powers, every 4 powers, units place going to be repeating. See, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 5 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 6 is 4. So here 2 is following power cycle 4. Okay, like that 3, 7, 8. This all 4 going to follow power cycle 4. After every power 4, units place going to repeat. Okay, these two numbers we'll see. 4 power 1 is 4, 4 power 2 is 16, 4 power 3 is 64, 4 power 4 is 216. What is happening here? 4, 6, 4, 6. Every 2 powers, units place going to be repeating. So what I can tell, these two following power cycle 2. Okay, all these things I am generalizing now. Okay, now for example, 22 power 100 is there. Okay, for everything, for all, I am generalizing with power cycle 4. Okay, now I am dividing with 4. What I am going to get here? Remainder is 25, remainder is 0. Okay, now 22 power 101. If I divide with power with 4, what I am going to get? Remainder as 25 plus 1. So remainder is 1. Okay. Now see, if remainder is remainder is 0, if remainder is 0, you have to see base unit, you have to take base unit. See, power will be there, right? You divide with 4. If it will give remainder as 0, you go for base unit, and the base unit even or odd you have to check. If base unit is even, for all, answer will be 6. Units place will be 6. If base unit is odd, okay, for all, not for all, for base unit is odd, answer will be 1, except 5. Why? Because 5 power anything is 5. Okay, so for 5 units place will be 5. This is fixed. Okay, when remainder is 0, you have to see base unit. If base unit is even, answer will be 6. If base unit is odd, answer will be 1, except 5. If base unit is 5, answer will be 5. Okay, now if base unit is 1, if remainder is 1, you have to make base unit power 1. Okay, if remainder is 2, you have to make base unit power 2. If remainder is 3, okay, if you divide with 4, you are going to get remainder 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So base unit power 3. Okay, just if you remember this box, you can solve any problem from units place. How this box came, for that all this analysis we did. Okay, to get more clarity, what I am doing is, for example, 3 power 42 is there. Okay, 3 is having power cycle 4. Why? Because every 4 powers units place going to repeat. Okay, so I have to divide a power with 4. I am going to get 4 tens are 40. Remainder is 2. Okay, now remainder is 2. What I have to do? Units place. Here only one base unit power. You have to do 3 base unit power 2 remainder, right? So what you are going to get? 9. This is the units place. Here we will go 14 power 30. Okay, what is the base unit here? 4. So base unit having power cycle 2, sir is telling to divide with 4. Why I am telling divide with 4 means, if it is power cycle 2 or power cycle 4, to generalize that thing, to simplify what to remember finally, I am dividing with 4. Okay, behavior will be same. Okay, now 14 power 30. If I divide with 4, what I am going to get? 4 1s are 4 7s are 28. 2 will be the remainder. Okay, so I have to make, if remainder is 2 means what I have to do? 2 power, what is the base unit I have to see? Base unit is 4. 4 power 2 I have to make, so 16. So from 16, in 16 what is the units place? 6. So 6 is the answer. Okay, now we will solve the problems. If you remember this box, you can solve all the problems. Okay, how this box came, for that all this explanation. Okay, again I am explaining this box. If remainder is 0, when you divide power with 4, if remainder is 0, you have to go for base unit. Base unit is even. For all base units, if that is even, answer is 6. If that is odd, answer is 1. Odd means 5 also comes, right? For 5 1 won't come, for 5 5 only. Okay, when you divide power with 4, if base unit is 1, remainder is 1, you have to make base unit power 1. If remainder is 2, you have to make base unit power 2. If remainder is 3, you have to make base unit power 3. Okay, now we'll solve the problems. Okay, now we'll solve this problem. Find the last digit or units place in the expansion of 17 power 1999 plus 13 power 1999 plus 122 power 1999. Okay, now what I told, first we have to divide power with 4. If I divide power with 4, what I am going to get? 4 4s are, see here no need of going for all. Why? Because what is the divisibility rule for? If last two digits is divisible by 4, then this total number is divisible by 4. So I will go for last two digits. Okay, 99. 99 means what? 4 2s are 8, 19 will be there, 4 4s are 16, 3 will be there, 3 will be the remainder. Okay, what I did is, no need of dividing 1999 with 4. Why? Because what is divisibility rule for? If last two digits will be divisible by 4, then this total number is divisible by 4. Okay, for that I am taking last two digits 99, I am dividing with 4, so I am getting 24 and remainder as 3. Okay, when remainder is 3, what we have to do? When remainder is 3, what we have to do? Base unit. Base unit is what? This is total base, 7 will be the base unit. Okay, 7 power base unit power 3. Okay, plus next here also same. If I divide with 4, I am going to get what? I am going to get 24, remainder will be 3. Okay, remainder will be 3 means what? Base unit will be 3. Okay, power 3, remainder 3 means base unit power 3 plus remainder 2 here. Here also remainder 3. If I divide with 4, I will get 24 and remainder will be 3. Okay, when remainder 3, base unit power 3, base unit is how much? 2 here, base unit is 2. Okay, this is the base unit. So base unit power 3, so 2 power 3. Okay, 7 cube. 7 square is 49. 7 cube how much? 343. 343. But we want, see, for first problem I am writing everything, and 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. Okay, we want only units place, right? So we have to take only units place. 3 here, 7 here, 8 here. Sorry, 7 here, 8 here. So total it will be 18. In 18, 8 will be the units place. So units place is equal to 8. Okay, 8. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, question number 2. Find the last digit or units place of expansion of this. Okay, GATE 2017 question. Okay, what I told, you have to take power, you have to divide with 4. If you divide 7 with 4, 4 ones are, and you're going to get remainder how much? 3. Okay, if you divide here with 4, 4 ones are, and 4 twos are 8 and remainder will be 1. Okay, if you divide with 4, 4 twos are 8, remainder will be 3. Okay, if you divide with 4, 4 threes are 12, remainder will be 1. Okay, now if remainder is 3, what we have to do? Base unit power 1. What is the base unit? 1. So base unit power 3 we have to make. Plus this is a solution. Okay, after that, if remainder is 1, what we have to do? Base unit power 1. Remainder is 1, base unit power 1. So base unit is 2, so 2 power 1. Okay, if base unit is if remainder is 3, what we have to make? Base unit power 3. Base unit is 3, so 3 power 3. Here also remainder is 1, so base unit power 1, so 4 power 1. Okay, 1 power 3 means 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 3 is 27. No need of writing 27, just write units place to 7. Okay, now 4 power is 4. Now if you add all these 3, you are going to get 14. Okay, what is the units place? Directly, no need of writing 14 also. Directly you can write 4. 4 is the units place. Okay. Find the last digit or units place in the expansion of this 4532, 45 power 4000, 5555 power 1999. Okay. What I told, first you have to divide power with 4. If you divide power with 4, you have to check last 2 digits are zeros, so it will be divisible by 4 and remainder will be 0 here. Remainder will be 0 here. Okay. Now if you divide here with 4, see what is the divisibility rule. You have to take last 2 digits and that is divisible by 4 or not, you have to check. Okay. If you divide last 2 digits with 4, what you going to get? 24, remainder will be 3. Okay. Now when remainder is 0, what we have to do? Remainder is 0, we have to check base unit is even or odd. When remainder is 0, we have to check base unit is even or odd. So base unit is odd. So after that we have to check it is one exemption is there, right? 5. So it is 5. So for 5, answer will be 5 only. 5 plus here remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. So we have to make base unit power 3. When remainder is 0, that time only you have to check base unit is even or odd. Okay, here base unit is, here remainder is 3, no need of checking even or odd. Just you have to make base unit power 3. Why? Because remainder is 3. So if you make 5 and plus 5 cube means 125. In 125, what is the last digit? 5. So if you add these two, you are going to get 10. So in 10, last digit will be 0. So 0 will be the answer. Okay, 0 will be the answer. 0 will be the last digit. Find the last digits, last digit or units place in the expansion. Okay, what we have to do? We have to take the power and divide with 4, and we have to check the remainder. If you divide with 4, what you going to get? 4 6 are 24. Remainder will be 0. Okay, remainder will be 0 here. If you divide with 4, 4 1s are 4 5s are 20. Remainder will be 1. Okay. Now if remainder is 0, after that what we have to do? We have to check base unit is even or odd. Base unit is 4 here. Base unit is 4 here. Okay, this is the base unit. So what we have to do? We have to check it is even or odd. So base unit is even. Base unit is even. So what is the answer? 6. Here it will be 6. Multiplication. Multiply. And we got remainder 1, and we have to go for base unit. Base unit is 9. So we have to make 9 power 1. Base unit power 1. Okay, so 9. So now we have to multiply these two. 4, 9, 6 9s are 54. 54. In 54, what is the units place? 4. So 4 will be the units place. This is the answer. So I am concluding here. Before 4 will be the answer. Okay. With this problem, I am concluding units place or cyclicity topic.